in prospecting, it helps you stand out, be more visual, and connect with them early on. As you move through the sales process, though, there's other ways in which video becomes your best friend as a seller. Because as we both know, Neil, video is the best way to educate people because you can show as well as just tell, right? And, as a salesperson, when you're trying to explain what it is that you do, or you're trying to answer a question that they've sent over, or you're trying to, again, demonstrate or show, here's how our product or service works, right? It's so much easier to do that visually and to do a screen share recording, or to, hold something up visually, or to even just use your body language to help explain it. And, it has such power in helping people to comprehend ideas because you can mix visuals with your voice and so on. And that's why we as marketers make explainer videos and recorded demos. But we're now at a point where salespeople can hit record on their desktop, again, using a tool like a Vidyard, and they can record a webcam video, explaining something. They can record a screen share showing something on the screen. They can pull up a presentation and talk through a few things. All of those things are now possible. You can send those videos over easily and let somebody watch it on their own time and not always be dependent on setting up a Zoom call or something like that. And it's genuinely changing the way people sell. So that's why I get so excited about it.